Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Marvel Mythics in Fortnite Creative 2.0. To begin, you will need to open your Creative 2.0 project. Once inside, navigate to the content browser to locate the specific Marvel Mythic items you wish to incorporate. These items offer unique powers and can significantly enhance your game's dynamics. We will cover everything from placement to customization, ensuring your island is ready for epic battles with these iconic abilities. Accessing Marvel Mythics is straightforward. Open the content browser, typically found on the left side of your screen, and search for Marvel Mythics. You will see a variety of items, such as Thor's hammer or Iron Man's repulsors. Simply drag and drop your selected mythic onto your island. After placement, you can adjust properties like how often they appear or if players start with them, offering many possibilities for your game mode. Customizing your Marvel Mythics allows for incredible flexibility. Select an item and open its details panel. Here, you can fine-tune parameters such as damage values, perhaps increasing it by 20% or setting a cooldown of 15 seconds for a powerful ability. You can also alter visual effects and sound cues to match your island's theme. Experiment with different settings to create truly unique gameplay experiences for your players, making each mythic feel perfectly integrated. After integrating and customizing your Marvel Mythics, thorough testing is crucial. Play through your island multiple times to ensure all items work as intended and that the balance feels right. Invite friends or community members to playtest and provide feedback. Their insights are invaluable. Once you are satisfied with your creation, you can publish your Creative 2.0 island, share your unique game mode with the world, and let players enjoy the epic power of Marvel Mythics.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.